Okay, great, Anna. Welcome. Today's webinar is about wounds and moulage kits. We have the widest range of products for your every need. Before we get started, please note that we cannot provide any technical support for Zoom. This webinar will be recorded for later viewing. Please type any questions that you have into the chat. My name is Kelly Jacobson. Joining me today is Colette Abadea, and our moderator is Anna Bianco-Lefebvre. Anna will be monitoring any questions that you may have, and all questions will be answered at designated times during and at the end of our webinar. Well, it's February and almost Valentine's Day. All of us at Nasco Healthcare have big hearts, and of course, we love blood. Did you know that Nasco Healthcare provides the widest range of moulage products? In fact, it's one of our top selling lines of products to support training and simulation for our audiences like military, pre-hospital, nursing, and forensic sciences. This is an overview of the wide variety of wound and moulage options Nasco Healthcare has to offer. Now, we would like to show you some of our wide variety of moulage products that are excellent for training and can bring valuable added realism to any training scenario. We will start with the Ultra Nursing Wound Simulation Kit. This kit is one of the most comprehensive nursing wound kits available. This kit includes abrasions, blisters, burns, cysts, dehiscents, incisions, lacerations, moles, carcinomas, melanoma, various ostomies, and pressure ulcers. Also included is modeling clay, blood powder, bottles of mucus, pus, and stool, as well as a wide array of makeup and tools to support nursing education simulation. The next kit is the Advanced Military Casualty Kit. This kit includes 2 tibia compound fractures, 2 humerus compound fractures, several various stick-on injury wound simulations, coagulant blood, powdered blood, broken plexiglass, fake dirt, glycerin, modeling paste, an array of makeup and tools. For the EMS market, we have our pre-hospital trauma life support or PHTLS moulage kit. This kit includes an open fracture, exposed denture avulsion, an open skull fracture, burned face, road rash, chest burns, a broken clavicle with contusion, abdominal wound with protruding intestines, gun wounds, a screwdriver wound, knife wounds, and an ice pick wound, as well as a wide variety of makeup, blood powder, coagulant blood, and other tools and accessories. At this time, we'll break for some questions. Anna, do we have any questions from our viewers today?
Hi, Kelly. I do have one question, and the question is, can we purchase any of these moulages separately?
Okay, Anna. So the question is, can you purchase any of these moulages separately? Absolutely. We have separate part numbers set up for each of the wounds that you're seeing in these kits, as well as many other options available on our website. If there are no further questions, we'll continue. For teaching crime scene analysis and forensic scene reconstruction, we have a forensic wound simulation training kit. This kit contains carefully sculpted models of injuries taken from actual victims' wounds and reviewed by forensic education professionals. Wounds include bite wounds, a bat injury, compound fractures, gun wounds, knife wounds, foreign body protrusion, hesitation, and an ice pick wound. There are lacerations, ligatures, petechiae, a screwdriver wound, a second-degree burn, and a slash. As with our other kits, it includes the moulage wax, coagulant blood, and a selection of makeup for bruising, blanching, and lividity. Our next kit is our neonatal wound kit. It contains wounds that coincide with the STABLE program. For those unfamiliar with the STABLE program, that stands for sugar, temperature, airway, blood pressure, lab work, and emotional support. The abnormalities included in the kit are abdominal distensions for premature and full-term infants, gastricosis, myelomeningocele, and omphalocele, slack face, and subgaleal hemorrhage. Out of our Ultra Nursing Wound Simulation Kit, we also have created sub-kits to narrow the focus of scenario training into a smaller kit. One of the kits created is our Simulated Burn Kit. This kit can be used to assess findings, to identify the burn severity and type of burn, to prepare a treatment plan, and to measure performance of burn management. This kit includes 4 simulated stages of burns, first, second, and third degree. Colette is currently showing you the second degree burn. This kit also contains blisters, ash and black soot powders, makeup, and simulated blood that may be applied to add realism. Each roll is 7 inches by 10 inches, are pliable and reusable. The wounds can easily be cut into any shape to fit any area on a human patient, trainer, or simulator, and easily adhere to any product or human actor. Before we move on, we're going to have Colette demonstrate just how easy it is to create a simple wound.
Hello. To create an injury, let's show you how easy it is, our product, so professional detail will give you in a short time. And as you see, there's a box I'm going to be using. So now you can see my skin. It's a little dark skin, and the wax is a little bit lighter. I'm going to use one with dirt, makeup, include with this, and we'll give it a little bit. It's perfect. I get my skin, and I can tell it's nothing showing here. So, well, let's make it look like a glass injury, car accident, something similar for the scenario we're going to be practicing. I'm going to do some kind of glass. I get cut myself and tune it up.
Great. Thank you, Colette. So you can see just how simple it is to create moulage wounds. We're going to break at this point for any additional questions that we may have before the end of this. Anna, are there any questions?
Hi, Kelly. Yes, we do have a few questions here. The first question was, What moulage training does Nasco provide?
So the question is, what moulage training does NASCO provide? We don't currently have a training program, so to speak, but we do have a lot of um, tips available to you that are included with the kits. We also have on our website tips and tricks, as well as some how to create specific wounds. And of course, we're always available to assist with questions, whether it be our outside sales reps helping you or anyone on the inside with customer service or inside sales. We're here to help with anything that you might need help with. There are also, which we'll cover shortly, videos and additional books available that will help you through setting up moulages.
Excellent. Thank you, Kelly. The next question we have here is, how many times can the burn kit be reused?
So the question is, how many times can the burn kit be reused? Actually, the burn kit can be reused several times, as many times as you want to use it. It's simple to clean. It adheres to products. If the burns lose tackiness, you just simply wash them with warm water and a mild soap. The tackiness will reappear. I think there's no limit to what you can use or how many times you can use the burns on any product or human actor. As long as it's well taken care of, it should last for a long time.
Okay, thank you, Kelly. There are no further questions.
You're welcome. So now we will move on to blood. We have a wide variety of blood that may be added to any scenario to increase awareness of wounds and enhance natural feelings and reactions that occur in all types of training scenarios. We offer blood in packets and bottles of different sizes. We offer coagulated blood and blood that shows true clotting capabilities. We also offer moulage layovers that can be fit over existing mannequins, like this flash moulage overlay that can be fit over the torso of our rescue Randys. In addition, we have full limb moulages, like our extreme trauma arm and leg, as well as our first aid arm. We also have hemorrhage control trainers and our full body casualty care rescue Randy. We also have the added resources I mentioned to help with learning on how to add moulage to give added realism to everyday training scenarios in various healthcare markets. For example, we have a moulage DVD and a moulage for mannequins book. As I also mentioned, we have the free how to create wounds and tips and tricks on our website as well. Kits can be viewed on our website and include a comprehensive list of everything included with each of these kits. We have many, many more moulage kits, individual wounds, and makeup available. Our website also contains the moulage tips and user help guides. This is a small overview of everything that we have available to bring added realism to all of our simulation training needs. Today, we covered the Ultra Nursing Wound Simulation Kit, the Advanced Military Casualty Kit, our PHTLS Moulage Kit, our Forensic Sciences Kit, our Neonatal Wound Simulation Kit, and our Burn Kit. Anna, are there any questions that we may answer?
Hi, Kelly. I do see a couple questions. The first one is that DVD there, is it included in the kit or be purchased separately?
So the question is the DVD included with the kits or is it purchased separately? It is an option to purchase separately. It is not included with the kits at this time.
Thank you, Kelly. And then the other question I had here was, when Khaled was demonstrating the wound and the blood there, is there any concern with staining with the blood?
Right, that's a very good question. You do need to be careful with the blood and the makeup that are used because there are possibilities of it staining. Anytime that you're going to be putting moulage on mannequins or human actors, you want to make sure that you either have some old clothing on or smocks. Just note that there's the potential to actually stain the products if the makeup and blood are left on too long. There will potentially be minimal staining regardless. There could be certain barriers that you could put between the skin of the mannequin or human actor to minimize the staining possibilities, but I would always suggest testing um, indespicable or areas on the mannequin that don't show so that you can see just how much it could potentially stain the product. Different skins will absorb different amounts of the blood or the makeup.
Thank you so much, Kelly. I don't see any more
You're
questions
welcome.
at this time.
Okay, great. Nasco Healthcare would like to thank you for the time you've taken to learn more about what we have to offer and to help your customers be ready. For additional information on any of the kits we discussed or other moulage related products, please contact your sales representative, customer service, or see our website. The important thing is to have fun and experiment. There is no right or wrong way in creating moulage. Thank you, everybody.